8. Gender and family. What is a family? So, so, so sociologists define family as a socially recognized group, usually joined by blood, marriage, cohabitation, or adoption, that forms an emotional connection among its members and that serve as economic unit of society. In fact, nowadays, family could refer to a group of individuals who share goals and values, have long-term commitments to one another, but not necessarily residing in the same dwelling. Different types of family. The nuclear family or conjugal family, which comprises married partners and their offspring, like in the picture. The family has mother, father, and 2 kids. The extended family has more members in its household. It actually includes 3 generations: grandparents, married, offspring, and grandchildren. It could be the parents from the maternal or paternal side of one of the couple, and the children of the couple. This is common in most collectivistic society. The joint family is composed of sets of siblings, their spouses, and their dependent children. This could be 2 sisters or 2 brothers, or a brother and a sister who decide to live together in one roof, together with their partners and children. This is common in India, Africa, Far East, and Middle East. Extended family, or the reconstituted family, which is common in the US, is consisted of a pair of divorced or widowed parents and their respective offspring, also known as step family.